My first client is from the USA. When I see the message, I'm very excited and I jumped from my bed. She received the machine. I sent some teaching videos. He always say, "Thank you so much, Celia. I like your machine. You are so wonderful."
I can still feel very happy and excited for the first order. He's an older man. He told me, "I want to try the Chinese machine because I trust you." You can't imagine how exciting I was,
This time is a hard time for the world because of coronavirus situation. Actually, it's very hard to set so many warehouses overseas. It's a challenge, but I think it's a chance too. First, this one is very convenient for customers. I think customers want to get the machine very quickly and get them for use fastly because they want to start their business.
For customers who doesn't have enough patience, they get the machine in shorter time. So which means you have a bigger chance to win the order from the clients. So from the point of view of a salesman, it's a good solution to me. According to my experience before, sometimes the customers will turn around and go away because of the long lead time. They cannot wait for a lead time over 7 days or 10 days. But with the overseas warehouse, actually, you can shorten the time to 1 week.
I think as a salesperson, you have to answer the client immediately. It's one of the necessary things that you must do because the time difference, a lot of people, when they have issues with the machine, it's actually related to the company reputation. So maybe one small gesture can make the client very happy, and it can also save a lot of time and money to deal with the after service.
No one would like to wait, especially when they meet some problems. If it was me, if I don't know how to use the machine or I get stuck, you ask me to wait for 1 day, I will get freeze. If you ask me to wait for 4 to 8 hours, I will be a little bit angry. So that's why, and I think it's quite important to get touch with our customer and help them to solve the problems as soon as possible.
For us, we think we sell a machine. It is a machine, not like clothes, not like shoes. So if you only want to sell and to lower the quality, you don't care about anything about the quality, we think your company will not go ahead too long time.
Only give good quality machine to clients, they will get a good business. This is important for them. They trust us and they give us support, and we need to give them safety. We give them good machine. This is what we want to do.
I'm Kathy. I'm Lila.
I'm Tina.
BAI is always here for you.
BAI is always for you.
BAI is always here for you.